if you could own a brand new American-style bungalow, fully built, fully finished, and ready to move into, for a price that might actually surprise you? Not a tiny shack, not a compromise, a real, well-designed bungalow with curb appeal, functional floor plans, and modern finishes, delivered to your land and set up for you. That is exactly what modular construction is doing in 2026, and the numbers are changing the way a lot of Americans, Canadians, and Australians are thinking about home ownership. In this video, I am walking you through 10 modular American-style bungalow designs, what they look like, what they offer inside, and what the complete turnkey price looks like when everything is said and done. Stay with me until the end, because the last two designs offer the most value per dollar of anything I have seen this year, and I do not want you to miss them. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real home designs and real construction costs so you can make informed decisions. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Now let us get into it. What modular really means in 2026. Before we jump into the designs, let us clear something up, because there is still a lot of confusion around this word. Modular does not mean cheap. It does not mean trailer. It does not mean you are settling. Modular construction means your home is built in sections inside a climate-controlled factory. Those sections are transported to your site, and a licensed crew assembles them on a permanent foundation. The result meets or exceeds the same building codes as site-built homes in most states and provinces. What you gain is tighter construction quality control, faster build timelines, and in most cases, meaningfully lower costs compared to traditional stick-built construction. In 2026, the modular industry in North America has matured significantly. Lead times have shortened, design options have expanded, and more lenders are offering standard mortgage products for modular homes. These are not the modular homes of 20 years ago. Let us look at what is available right now. Design 1, the classic Craftsman bungalow. The first design on our list is what most people picture when they hear the word bungalow. This is a single-story, Craftsman-style modular home sitting at around 1,200 square feet. You get 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an open-concept kitchen and living area, a covered front porch with tapered columns, and exposed rafter tails under the roofline that give it that authentic Craftsman character. Inside, the standard finish package typically includes LVP flooring throughout, shaker-style kitchen cabinets, a kitchen island, and a primary suite with a walk-in closet. The turnkey price for this design, meaning the home manufactured, delivered, and installed on your prepared site with utility connections complete, generally falls between $160,000 and $195,000, depending on your region and site conditions. That number assumes you already own the land. If you are in the Midwest or Southeast, you are likely to sit closer to the lower end of that range. Design 2, the modern farmhouse bungalow. The modern farmhouse aesthetic has not slowed down in 2026. This modular interpretation comes in around 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with a board and batten exterior, black-framed windows, and a metal roof accent over the front porch. The interior opens up into a generous great room with vaulted ceilings, which is a feature you can now get in modular construction without a significant premium. The kitchen features a farmhouse sink, open shelving options, and an oversized island that seats 4. This design works particularly well on rural lots and acreage properties. Turnkey pricing for this one typically lands between $185,000 and $225,000. The metal roof accents and vaulted ceiling sections do add to the cost, but most buyers find the visual payoff worth it. Several manufacturers offering this style include it as a standard configuration rather than a custom upgrade. Design 3, the compact starter bungalow. Not everyone needs 3 bedrooms right away, and this design is built with that in mind. At just under 900 square feet, this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom modular bungalow is one of the most affordable turnkey options available in 2026. The layout is efficient without feeling cramped. You have a combined living and dining area, a well-organized kitchen with full-size appliances, and a primary bedroom that comfortably fits a queen bed with room to spare. The exterior comes with a simple gable roof, vinyl siding, and a small covered entry. This is a strong option for first-time buyers, retirees downsizing, or investors looking at single-family rentals in secondary markets. Turnkey pricing for this design sits between $110,000 and $145,000, making it one of the most accessible permanent home options available anywhere in North America right now. Design 4, the Open Concept Ranch Bungalow. This design takes the traditional ranch layout and updates it for the way people actually live today. At 1,500 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom modular home stretches wide across the lot, with a low-pitched roof and a long, covered front porch that runs nearly the full width of the home. Inside, the floor plan eliminates nearly all interior walls in the main living area, creating a continuous flow between the kitchen, dining space, and living room. Large windows across the rear wall bring in significant natural light and can be oriented toward a backyard view. The primary suite is tucked at one end of the home for privacy, while the 2 secondary bedrooms sit at the other end, sharing a full bath. This layout is particularly popular with families and is one of the top-selling configurations among modular manufacturers in the US right now. Turnkey price range is $195,000 to $240,000. Design 5, the Coastal Bungalow. If you have land near the coast, or just love that relaxed coastal aesthetic, this modular design delivers it without the coastal price tag. The home sits at 1,300 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The exterior features hardy board siding in light gray or white, wide front steps, and a wraparound porch on 2 sides. Inside, the palette leans light and airy with white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and wide plank white oak LVP flooring. The primary bathroom includes a freestanding soaking tub, which is a finish detail that surprises people when they see it in a modular home at this price point. This design is engineered to meet higher wind load requirements in coastal zones, which does add to the base cost slightly. Turnkey pricing ranges from $200,000 to $255,000, depending on wind zone certification requirements and site access logistics. Design 6, the 2-modular expanded bungalow. This is where modular construction starts to show one of its most useful advantages. By combining 2 factory-built modules side by side, manufacturers can deliver a 1,800 square foot bungalow that feels substantially larger than the previous designs without going to a second story. This configuration gives you 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a dedicated laundry room, a pantry, and a split floor plan that puts the primary suite completely on the opposite end of the home from the secondary bedrooms. This is a very practical layout for multi-generational households or buyers who work from home and need clear separation between sleeping and living spaces. The exterior of this 2-module design typically features a combination of lap siding and stone veneer at the base, giving it a grounded, substantial look. Turnkey pricing for this design falls between $230,000 and $290,000, depending on module configuration and finish selections. Design 7, the energy-efficient Eco Bungalow. In 2026, energy performance is not an optional extra. It is increasingly a baseline expectation, and several modular manufacturers have made it their core selling point. YouTube. This eco-focused bungalow design comes in at 1,250 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and is built to exceed standard energy code requirements as a default. The package includes enhanced wall insulation with a higher R value than typical construction, triple-pane windows, an airtight building envelope, a heat pump HVAC system, and pre-wiring for solar panel installation. Some manufacturers in this category include a small rooftop solar array in the base price. Monthly utility costs for owners of this design are reported to run significantly lower than a comparable site-built home. The higher upfront investment in efficiency does affect the price, but the long-term operating savings are real. Turnkey pricing for this design ranges from $210,000 to $260,000, though available energy efficiency tax credits in 2026 can offset a meaningful portion of that cost. Design 8, the Wraparound Porch Bungalow. Everything about this design is built around outdoor living. At 1,450 square feet, the home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but the defining feature is a full wraparound covered porch that adds several hundred square feet of usable outdoor living space to the footprint. This is a particularly popular configuration in the southern United States, where the porch functions as a true outdoor room for a large portion of the year. The interior layout is traditional and comfortable, with a formal living area at the front of the home, a connected kitchen and family room at the rear, and a primary suite with direct access to the back section of the porch. The exterior typically features painted wood-look composite columns, detailed porch railings, and a welcoming, symmetrical facade. The wraparound porch does add to the total cost, but represents significant value compared to adding a comparable outdoor structure after the fact. Turnkey pricing ranges from $215,000 to $265,000. Design 9. The Accessible Universal Design Bungalow. This is a design category that does not get enough attention, and in 2026, it deserves a spotlight. The Accessible Modular Bungalow is engineered from the ground up for comfortable living at any stage of life or ability. At 1,600 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the floor plan includes a zero-threshold entry, wider than standard doorways throughout, an accessible primary bathroom with a roll-in shower, reinforced walls for future grab bar installation, and lever-style hardware on every door and faucet. The kitchen features lower counter sections and pull-out shelving. None of these features make the home look institutional. The design is clean, modern, and attractive from the street. This is an excellent option for buyers planning to age in place, buyers with family members who use mobility devices, or buyers who simply want a home that will accommodate life's changes without requiring expensive future modifications. Turnkey pricing for this design runs between $220,000 and $270,000. Design 10. The Luxury Modular Bungalow. We saved the most impressive for last, and this one genuinely challenges what most people think is possible in modular construction. This luxury bungalow configuration starts at 2,000 square feet and offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a chef-style kitchen with high-end appliance packages, engineered hardwood flooring, coffered ceilings in the main living area, a spa-style primary bathroom with a walk-in tiled shower, a soaking tub, and dual vanities. The exterior features a combination of brick veneer, board and batten siding, and architectural shingle roofing with designer color options. Some configurations in this tier include a rear-covered outdoor kitchen space as part of the standard package. This is a home that competes directly with site-built homes in the same square footage range, but is typically delivered in a fraction of the time. Turnkey pricing for this design ranges from $320,000 to $420,000, depending on finish level, region, and site requirements. For what you are getting, that price point represents real value when you compare it to equivalent site-built construction in most markets. What affects your final turnkey price? Before you take any of these numbers and call a manufacturer, there are several factors that will affect your final cost, and you need to understand them. Site preparation is one of the biggest variables. If your land is flat, accessible, and has existing utility hookups nearby, your site costs will be modest. If you need significant grading, a long driveway, a new septic system, or a well drilled, those costs can add $30,000 to $80,000 or more on top of the home itself. Your region also matters. Labor and transportation costs vary significantly between the Midwest, the Pacific Northwest, the Northeast, and the South. Permit and inspection fees vary by county and state. Foundation type is another variable. A crawl space, slab, or full basement each carries a different cost. And finally, your finish selections inside the home will affect the final number. Most manufacturers offer tiered packages from standard to premium, and the gap between those tiers can be $20,000 to $40,000 on a mid-size home. Modular construction in 2026 is no longer a second-choice path to home ownership. It is a legitimate, well-engineered, and increasingly well-regarded way to build a quality home for meaningfully less money and in less time than traditional construction. The 10 designs we covered today represent what is actually available and achievable right now across North America. Whether you are working with a $130,000 budget or a $400,000 budget, there is a modular bungalow design in this space worth serious consideration. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are looking for honest, practical home design content. Drop your questions or your budget range in the comments below, and I will do my best to point you in the right direction. If you want to keep building your knowledge, check out the video on screen right now about prefab homes under $60,000. It is a great next watch. I will see you in the next one.